Bravo! Okej. Sad ovo po drugi put streama. I ne želim da ništa ovo da upropasti. Sad mi upropasti ovaj prdec. Ali nema veze. Ja ću da nastavim da snimam. Okej. Ja sam iz Hrvatske. Oprostite što ovako pričam. U biti, ja sam snimala onaj dio. I nažalost je stalo. Na kraju, daj šuti. Na kraju je kamera stala. Ne znam zašto. Makni se. I biti, napisat ću vam što se radilo pred tim kamerom. Ali nažalost ne mogu jer ja sam zaustavila kameru. U biti bilo ono, ja ne volim one s bijelom kosom. I onda ki poljubila put i rekla kupi mi lizalicu! Da, to je ona rekla, a ovo je rekla, u biti možete čuti što pričam, ali ne možete vidjeti kadro. Žao mi je.
Ne, zbilja mi kupi lizalicu.
Žuti! A sada ćemo da nastavimo sa filmom. Ok, gledajte i uživajte.
Lebok! Hej, tebi!
Idemo opet u kino.
A ko je sada?
Jedno sutra.
Šta ćemo gledat?
Ne znam, vidjet ćemo kaj ima. Ajde idemo. Neće se vidjeti kad ima psi. Pa kamera ih neće uloziti. Neće ni uloziti. Gledamo Minecraft. Daj stanite kao prije. Evo ga. Evo počne. Samo malo. To traje 12 minuta. Šuti!
Ovo je nosonja!
Samo reklame. Počinje!
Mod showcase where today Troyos has built a beautiful extension to his lab, but because of this new extension, he has also installed some new security features to keep it as safe as possible while he is working on secret new projects. So what we have done is employ
Dole sa krana ili pucamo.
to help us out, which adds in a ton of
Ja volim Minecraft,
features to your
ali da nemam
Minecraft
mapu.
Ja ga volim.
this
Mi smo stvarali jedno za drugo, mi smo tako glupi.
Gledajte i šutite.
Ne,
Nisam
samo što napravila. Wow, ova kuća je baš lijepa.
A čemu služi, to ćemo tek otkriti.
Ima lasere, laseri.
Tiho!
This is very similar to that, and for a laser block, you are going to need 7 smooth stone in total in a kind of N shape, 1 glass pane, and 1 block of redstone, which is fairly cheap, and you're going to need 2 of them at least, because what you're going to need to do is place 1 kind of on the left and 1 kind of on the right in a straight line, and then that laser will automatically appear. However, you do need to have these within 5 blocks of each other, so if this was just 1 more block to the left, it wouldn't work. You can't place these lasers down by yourself. So you need to put them within 5 blocks of each other, and then they will work. So we're going to test this. We're going to walk through this and test if it works. Let's see if it works. Here we go.
I'm a good guy.
Oh my god, my ears, what the hell was that sound? It's definitely working, Trails, you can switch off now. Trails, you can switch off. This sound. Whoa, no, just stop it. Wow. That got a bit close. Why does he have to do this to me? Why did I agree to do this? But anyway, the way this works is that when you walk through the laser, a redstone signal is put out from the left of this block and the right of this block, and I think it might go vertical as well, I'm not too sure on that, but it will emit a redstone signal for about 2 or 3 seconds. But to show you how to use that in Minecraft a little bit more easier, I'm going to show you this contraption over here, kind of like the bare bones of how it works. So I've got one that's just one wide, so this is going to be a pretty handy one for putting up for a door or something to make sure that someone walks through it. And then I've got the redstone coming out the left-hand side of this block and leading up to this TNT. So when I walk through this, the redstone will be activated, the TNT will hopefully explode, and that's kind of like a feature of this block. So let's go through here, walk through the laser, it will activate it, you'll see the little kind of streams of redstone out the top, the redstone will glow, and the TNT was activated. So that is how that works. So if I walk through this, you will see that the redstone kind of parts will come out the top,
Tišina malena.
and then the redstone is active as well while I'm walking through, which is a pretty cool
Začepi.
feature, I must admit. So now moving on to the next security feature, we need
Imam
to
pušku.
the keypad. Now to craft one of these keypads, you are going to need simply just 9 buttons, so not too expensive whatsoever, and it creates this awesome keypad mechanism. And when you place it down for the first time and right click it, you get the option to set up a security code. And Treyarch has used it with just 4 numbers when he set this up. I'm not sure if you can go for more than that, but you have to test that by yourselves when you look at this mod. But let's put in the number. He's told me already what it is. It's 9,
Oh, in
5, 2, 3, and it should. Why is this not working? Treyarch? Why is it not working? Tell me the code. I know you've already told me the code. Let me try again. 9. Oh wait, that's wrong. 9, 5, 4, 3. Was it 4, 3? Why is this not working? Why are you trolling me?
Osok mi je to.
Why are you doing this to me, Treyarch? But the joke's on you, buddy, because I have one.
La, la, la.
Jesi dobro?
Which means I can right click on
Ne,
any
mrak je,
and
niš
just
ne
unlock
vidim.
it straight away. So let's go
Dođi.
through and have a word with this punk. Why
Svjetlost!
That's very, very
Svjetlost!
important.
Oje, Sonja! Noćan, ja se vratio!
Ajde idemo.
Noćan, ja se vratio! Ja ne
Naši su otišli.
Minecraft.
Fine, now to craft
Ti se
one of
gubi.
these,
Minecraft. Ne,
one
nisam
more
to. Minecraft.
which I think is a
Sad govorim.
trade-off
Ne smo gledali Minecraft.
different types
No,
of
proklet bio.
It's called bouncy
Ali ipak te volim.
Yes, it's called bouncy
Proklet bio. Ipak te volim. Proklet bio.
You actually use a weighted pressure plate.
Joj, Candy, znaš što? Ja kad gledam Minecraft, ja ne znam što da pričam. Minecraft me zarazio, sorry. Candy, nemoj da čoriš. Ajde. Ja volim Minecraft. Ti si mi rekao. Goni se. Krivo ću te čuo. Mislim sam se rekao, gonimo se. Šta? Čuo sam gon. Ajde, idemo.
Okej, idemo, malo mi se raspoloženje popravilo. Ali i dalje sam ljuta. I tužna.
Sad,
I dođe mi da plaćem.
već plaću. Ne znam šta je.